This road connects Shaman and Turkham border to Karachi port, which deals over 200 trucks and tankers of NATO supplies per day. And these demonstrators are gathered here to express their anger over what they termed as the genocide of Pakistanis by the deadly US drone attacks.
We believe that the US drone attacks and a lot of other actions are violating the sovereignty of Pakistan, and we also believe that our leadership is responsible for allowing that to happen. So the way to protest, we have decided, is to block NATO supplies which are going to Afghanistan through Pakistan. And there has been a lot of resentment throughout our Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province regarding the fact that the army is taking part in the US war on terror, which has nothing actually to do with terror in Pakistan or anywhere else in the world.
People here say that drone strikes on Pakistani soil are a clear violation of the country's sovereignty, and they are counterproductive.
Our demonstrations to try and stop the NATO trucks are meant to tell the government of Pakistan and the government of the United States that this step which they are taking in form of drone attacks is not at all in any way liked by the people of Pakistan, and they have to be stopped.
According to the military sources, more than 2,000 people have been killed in hundreds of US drone attacks since 2004.
It's quite obvious that innocent people are killed in Swat in Waziristan, and the end result is nothing. Even Americans are now, they have decided to actually talk to the Taliban, and this is what Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has been telling from the very beginning. So just the killing of innocent people will get us nowhere.
Political observers believe that one cannot imagine the kinetic military actions in Afghanistan without a non-stop serpent of trucks leaving Karachi every single day, which is now in jeopardy. For obvious reason, the Pentagon cannot use Iranian and Chinese seaports to supply no less than 250,000 troops in Afghanistan that are in over 400 military bases all across the country. Nearly 80% of these supplies go through Pakistan. That means essentially Karachi. According to the official estimates, Pakistan's affiliation with the US in its war on terror cost its economy $68 billion so far. While these drones have so far inflicted colossal losses on the 8 million tribal people of Pakistan, most of them are now internally displaced. Muhammad Turi, Press TV, Karachi.